The 2026 American BMW M4 is a car that perfectly combines power, luxury, and modern technology, making it one of the most exciting performance coupes on the market today. From the very first look, the exterior makes a bold statement. The front fascia carries BMW's signature kidney grille design, now more refined and slightly sleeker, giving the car an aggressive yet sophisticated stance. The sharp lines running across the body emphasize its aerodynamics, while the sculpted hood and flared wheel arches highlight its muscular character. Equipped with slimmer laser headlights that blend seamlessly into the front design, the car looks futuristic while still retaining the iconic M identity. The rear end is equally striking, featuring a carbon fiber diffuser, a bold spoiler, and quad exhaust outlets that leave no doubt about its performance intentions. Lightweight alloy wheels paired with low-profile performance tires complete the look, ensuring it looks ready to conquer both highways and racetracks. Performance is where the M4 truly shines. Under the hood sits a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine that produces an exhilarating 550 horsepower. This raw power translates into a lightning-fast 0 to 60 sprint in just 3.3 seconds, putting it in supercar territory. The car comes with BM's advanced X-Drive all-wheel drive system, but for purists, there's still the option to switch to rear-wheel drive, giving drivers that old-school thrill of tail-happy dynamics. The adaptive M suspension has been retuned for 2026, offering a balance between comfort and razor-sharp handling. Whether you're cruising on city roads or pushing it hard on the track, the car feels planted, precise, and incredibly responsive. Enhanced aerodynamics, a lighter chassis thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber, and upgraded carbon ceramic brakes make the driving experience not just fast, but controlled and confidence-inspiring. Every rev, every corner, and every acceleration burst feels like a reminder of BMW's motorsport heritage. Inside, the cabin blends luxury with sportiness in a way that only BMW can deliver. High-quality merino leather, Alcantara finishes, and carbon fiber accents create a premium yet athletic vibe. The seats have been redesigned with improved bolstering to keep you firmly in place during spirited driving, yet they remain comfortable for long-distance journeys. At the center of the dash is BMW's curved display system, which integrates a 14.9-inch digital gauge cluster with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, both powered by the latest iDrive 9 software. This setup is highly intuitive, offering seamless navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting, a crystal-clear Harman Kardon sound system, and an option for a Bowers & Wilkins upgrade elevate the in-cabin experience. The technology extends to safety and convenience too, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking automation, ensuring that luxury and practicality are never compromised. In terms of pricing, the 2026 American BMW M4 starts at around $80,000 for the base trim, while the fully loaded competition X-Drive models can reach upwards of $100,000 depending on selected options and packages. For that price, buyers get a car that's not only an everyday luxury coupe but also a performance machine that rivals some of the most prestigious names in the industry. The combination of aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling driving dynamics make the M4 a dream car for enthusiasts who want both style and substance. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars hitting the roads.